All right. I am at a job site, and today what I will be doing is removing this dryer vent and replacing it. This house was built in 2005. As you can see, the dryer vent does not have a lid to close once the dryer stops blowing the hot air. This dryer vent was put on the house before they put the plaster siding. Therefore, some of the plaster covers the sides of this dryer vent where the screws are. So under the sides, you will find concrete screws. So I need to remove this or replace the lid. So there is no lid to fit this type of dryer vent. So you need to replace the entire vent, which means you need to pull it out of the concrete wall. This is a concrete house. Um, I removed the entire 12-inch tubing that goes through the concrete. This was a $25 fix.